Yeah.
The Colorado River begins its journey high in the Rocky Mountains. It flows more than 1,400 miles all the way to Mexico. It flows through some of the driest regions of the country and often the hottest. The Colorado River is their lifeline. For centuries, people have used its water for drinking, fishing, and watering their crops. But the Colorado River had unpredictable periods of both flooding and drought. This made living near the water difficult and often dangerous for the people who depended on it. In 1902, the federal government created what became the Bureau of Reclamation. It would manage the water flow and help small family farmers and Native American communities. Reclamation's largest project was a huge dam on the lower Colorado River. It would control flooding and bring reliable water and hydroelectric power to farms and growing cities. This would become Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam and its reservoir, Lake Mead, are located southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. The dam was designed in the late 1920s by Bureau of Reclamation engineers. They selected the desolate site of Black Canyon between Arizona and Nevada on the lower Colorado River. In 1931, a group
Here they are,
of major
the big
Western
bosses of 6
joined
companies.
together for this major construction effort. They were known as 6 Companies Incorporated, or the Big Six. Around 20,000 people flocked to the site to work during the Great Depression. 5,000 workers were hired to build the dam, and Boulder City was built to house them. 6 companies also constructed a highway, railroad, and power transmission lines. They built special machinery in the plant to produce the huge
This is
amounts of
good.
concrete.
I like this better than that other one.
6 companies had to make a dry place in the middle of the Colorado River for construction. Workers drilled and blasted 4 massive tunnels through the solid rock walls of Black Canyon and then forced the river to flow through them. To anchor the dam in solid, stable rock, a soft river bottom was excavated. Ice scalers did the dangerous work
Those
of
are the guys that
removing
hung
loose
off
rock
the
from
side.
the canyon walls. Hoover Dam is a concrete gravity arch dam. The strength of the concrete holds back the Colorado River, while the arch transfers the weight of the water into the canyon walls. Fresh concrete takes time to cool and harden, so Reclamation's engineers came up with a novel solution. The dam was built in blocks containing pipes, and ice-cold water was pumped through for rapid cooling. The diversion tunnels were closed off in 1935. Lake Mead began to fill, eventually extending 110 miles up the Colorado River. The 2 outer tunnels in the canyon walls became the massive spillways. They can move excess water around the dam to protect it from flooding. Water flows from the intake towers through large pipes to the hydroelectric generators. The moving water turns the generators' turbines. This creates clean electrical energy. Hydroelectric power and the regular flow of water fueled the growth of California and the Southwest. Flowing downstream, the Colorado River irrigates over 1 million acres of farmland. Hoover Dam was dedicated in 1935. Visitors from around the world continue to be drawn to its Art Deco style, immense presence, and to the recreation